एक रात की कर ले तू यारी, सुबह तक मान के मेरी बात, तू ऐसे जोर से नाची आज ये घुंघरू टूट गए, ये घुंघरू टूट गए।
वेलकम टू TSM द सबनेट। मैं हूँ सौम्या, बॉलीवुड फिटनेस एंड डाइट पे आपकी दोस्त।
My favorite fruits are, I'm pretty simple. I like all of them. I like ghee. I can go pretty crazy. I follow a certain kind of diet, which is maybe I wake up and I have 6 egg whites and some avocado with that. And after that, my next 4 meals is a set meal which I have in a box, which has got this 70 grams of protein and some salad, veggies if at all. And I keep tweaking things depending on my weighing scale, depending on the way I am looking. So that's one diet of my disciplined phase. I eat every 3 hours. Fruits is a part of my diet, but not every day. Fish and salmon, yes. My favorite fruits are banana, mango when it's in season, apple, what else? Watermelon.
सब पूछते रहते हैं लेकिन सबको मालूम है कि डाइटिंग क्या होती है। डोंट ईट सो मच ऑफ फ्राइड स्टफ, डोंट ईट सो मच ऑफ स्वीट्स, डोंट ईट सो मच ऑफ ऑयल। और पूछना बंद कीजिए और कीजिए। वी ऑल नो कि डाइटिंग क्या है। वी ऑल नो व्हाट इज गुड टू ईट, व्हाट इज बैड टू ईट। लेकिन हम करते नहीं हैं, पूछते रहते हैं कि करें क्या। आपको सबको मालूम है व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, जस्ट डू इट।
When I'm not disciplined, I have everything and anything that my heart desires. I can go pretty crazy.
अब मैं समोसा खा रहा हूँ। अब मुझे कोई रोक नहीं सकता।
सारी हेल्थ के लिए खराब चीजें स्वाद की होती हैं।
पता नहीं है।
एक्चुअली
हम तो खा ही सकते हैं, हमें कौन सा ऋतिक रोशन बनना है।
वाह यार।
Very slim chance that we could pull this off. A little bit of hope, a little bit of fear. Let's see what happens. आज कुछ नहीं होना। किसी को बताना मत। बॉडी ऐसे बनती है, बनाएगा नहीं कोई।
30-minute cardio in the morning, or I will come back home if I pack up in time and spend about 30-40 minutes in the gym post work, or maybe an hour. Go to the gym for at least 30 minutes a day, you know, and combine your exercises between cardiovascular, which is, you know, run or sweat, get your heart rate up. And weight training is also something that really educate yourself. Educate yourself if you're interested, you know, get more information, and that will help you stay inspired also.
If you are saying, यार मेरा पेट ऐसा है, but मैं ठीक हूँ यार, लेकिन अंदर if you are not really happy about it, then it's not ideal.
Again, फिक्स नहीं है. 3 घंटे में मैं खाता रहता हूँ. Every 3 hours. So morning 9 o'clock, then 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock. That you do not have to be a non-vegetarian to either make your body or lose weight or whatever. There are scores and scores of vegetarian athletes, bodybuilders. You know, you have to just make sure that you're getting enough of the protein. That's the only, I think, the problem with vegetarians is, the concern is there enough protein? But there is. I mean, if you go on the net and just search for vegetarian protein-rich foods and, you know, make a list, you're set here.
अगर आपके पास 10 मिनट भी हो तो करिए. मेरे पास कभी कभी दिन में दिन का जो काम है वो ख़त्म होने के बाद I get about 15 minutes free before I sleep. So I work out for the 15 minutes also, and it is enough. It is a myth that you need to do for 1 hour and 2 hours and all of that. अगर आपके पास जो भी टाइम है, whatever you do will help you. So the biggest mantra I can give you is this, that even if you can take out 10 minutes or 15 minutes a day,
And remember
work out.
that status in the world is not defined by what work you do, but by how well you do it. It doesn't matter what you do. Whatever you do it great. And that will show your character to the people around you. Be givers in life. Don't wait for people to show you love. Give love first.